Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, in this video we're going to understand how to work with comments in MS Excel. What is comment? First of all, comment is just a conversation to start about a cell or to give a feedback about a content in the cell or to write some note about the cell. For example, here I am writing 16,000. So maybe if you want to write any note that is related to the 16,000, that can be written in comment boxes, right? So very simple. So what is comment? Comment is just a conversation about a cell or to give a feedback about the content or to write any of the notes, right? And yes, so very simple. If you want to add any comment, simply select the cell and directly press the shortcut key Shift plus F2. What is that? Shift plus F2. So whatever you have comment that you want to write, then simply click on somewhere, that comment will be saved. And again, not only this way, if you want to add the comment by using the mouse, simply right click on a cell and click on insert comment, right? And if you like to edit a comment, simply select the cell, and again you also can press Shift plus F2, then simply edit the comment and click on somewhere, that comment will be edited. And again, if you want to edit the comment by using mouse, simply right click on the cell and go to click on edit comment. Here you can write as again start writing the comment. And if you want to delete the comment, by using shortcut key, simply first activate the cell by pressing Shift plus F2. The cursor will start blinking, that means it is giving a chance to edit, but this time I don't want to edit, I would like to delete this comment. So first, once again I repeat, press Shift plus F2 and then press escape, then press delete. Once again I repeat, Shift plus F2, escape, then press delete button from the keyboard to delete the comment. And by using mouse, if you want to delete the comment, right click on the cell and click on delete comment, right? What is shortcut key? Shift plus F2 to add a comment on a blank cell. Again, Shift plus F2 to edit a comment. Again, Shift plus F2 and escape and delete to delete the comment. And if you want to show all the comments at a time, then go to review menu. From the review menu, simply click on show all comments. So whenever you click on show all comments, system displays the total list of comments that are added in this Excel worksheet. So this is how we work with comments. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.